G'day guys, it's Tony from GME. I'm super excited today. I've got a brand new product to share with you, and it's an XRS Connect radio called the XRS390C. The XRS390C is our new top of the range radio, and in our opinion, it's the best UHF CB radio on the market. If you're not familiar with XRS Connect Technology, these radios feature a number of really unique and useful features, such as an OLED anti-glare display, a really loud, clear and powerful 2-watt speaker in the front of the microphone, and they also include Bluetooth, which means you can connect the radio to your phone and activate features such as XRS Connect location services and also perform firmware updates. If you'd like to know more about the standard feature set of XRS Connect radios, click the link above where we've got a number of videos explaining those features in great detail. The XRS390C though has a number of really cool features that aren't seen in the rest of the XRS Connect range, and that's what we're going to talk about today. So starting with the microphone. The XRS390C's microphone looks very similar to the other microphones in the range, however it has a couple of key differences. The most important one is this new microphone includes a GPS receiver in the top. What this enables the radio to do is to send and receive GPS location data between XRS radios without relying on a smartphone to provide the GPS location information. This is a super useful feature for tracking users. If you're in a 4-wheel drive situation, you can see on a map where the rest of your convoy are, or in the case of the 390, every time you receive a transmission, the radio will tell you who's transmitting, how far away they are, and a compass heading. This is also really useful technology in an agriculture situation where you may have lone workers traveling around a property. Through the use of the XRS390 with its location awareness, you will be able to see where all of your workers are at any given time. The other new feature of the XRS390C is the mechanical design, or the way the radio has been constructed. This is quite simply GME's most rugged UHF CB radio yet. The XRS390 features IP67 Ingress protection, which means that the radio is dustproof and waterproof. This particular radio can be submerged to a depth of 1 metre for up to 30 minutes without any impact on the performance of the radio. And last but definitely not least, both the microphone and the main unit of the XRS390 have been tested to military standards. So the XRS390 meets mil standard 810G for resistance to vibration and shock. Now I'm sure some of you out there watching have already got an XRS radio, maybe a 330C or a 370C. The good news for you is, because the GPS receiver is in the microphone and not in the base unit, we're offering the microphone as an accessory. So if you choose to upgrade, you can have all of the functionality of the GPS location awareness in your current radio. In order to activate the functionality though, you will need to perform a firmware update on your radio. If you're not sure how to do that, click the link above and we've got a really simple video running you through the firmware update process. As always, if you've got any questions, feel free to drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all of the latest news from GME.